Editing artifacts in an Avenue ePortfolio. Artifacts can be edited from the Preview panel. I'll click on this Artifacts Preview button. The area on the left shows the various parts that can be edited. Let's start at the top here with the name of the artifact. I'll add a specific date. Moving down, we can next change the course. I'll click on the drop-down menu. This drop-down menu will only show the courses that the learner is enrolled in. It's most applicable if it's an uploaded artifact or one that's not associated with any course. I'll leave it at link 4JE. Next is activity type. When Other is selected, as is the case here, only the skill is shown. That's the only area we could choose to edit. I'll click on the drop-down menu. Under Activity Type, if you select Skill Using Task or Assessment, more options will open up. To demonstrate, I'll choose Assessment. I'll change the skill to Reading. Now we can choose the CLB level. I'll choose the CLB 4 level. Notice that when we choose the CLB level, the competence area and the competency statements under each area are displayed. I'll select the first one, finding information in simple forms, for example. The last thing you can edit at this point is whether or not the outcome is successful or not yet successful. The default is not yet successful. The successful artifacts are tallied in the Student Progress Summary panel in the class register. More information about this panel is available in another video tutorial. For now, I'll leave it in the default position, Not Yet Successful, and click on the Save button to return back to the main page.